Have you ever had to pursue legal action against a licensed professional, an architect, a doctor, or a contractor? In this video, I'd like to discuss the use of experts in legal matters. Hi, my name is Mark Sarek. I'm the founder of Resolvery Law. We're a civil litigation firm based out of Phoenix, Arizona. And in our firm, we work on business concerns, property and real estate, and construction matters, among others. So this video is about experts and do you need them? If you're in litigation, yes, it's an absolute must. If you're filing a complaint against a licensed professional, I always tell my clients, it's not my opinion, it's not your opinion. We need an expert to speak to the standard of care and whether the work was done properly. And that will require a preliminary opinion once you file your complaint. And by the time you get to your disclosure statements, if you watch my other videos, you'll know that that's a requirement in civil litigation. You'll need a full expert report. And the use of an expert can help you in other ways as well. You may need to engage depositions, and that expert will help you prepare your depositions. And when it comes to trial, you're going to need expert testimony, and so that expert is going to provide that for you, and he or she may also help you prepare your examination of other experts in the case. So what happens if you don't have an expert? Well, if you need to have one and you don't, your case is going to get dismissed. And if those are the only claims that you have in the case, that means you're going to have no one to testify to the standard of care or why the professionals' work fell short. That's going to eliminate all your damages, and your case will be done. So if you need an expert, the question then becomes, what do you need when you're headed into litigation? I always like to tell my clients, and there may be some variations here, but in general, what we ask of our experts when we're preparing our disclosures is a curriculum vitae, a CV or a resume. That's so we know a little bit about that expert's background and can present them. Sometimes you could establish foundation of an expert by way of testimony, but having a resume is always a good idea. We always ask for rate sheets. We want to know what that expert's rate is. You'll be charged when you retain their services. And if the other side, for example, deposes them, they're going to want to know what that expert's going to charge, because he's going to send a bill to the other side for his time in a deposition. In addition to the resume or CV and rate sheet, if it's a professional consultant or expert who's been in court a number of times, they're going to have a testimony log, and that's going to list all the cases that they worked on. And that may be important for a variety of reasons. One, to establish their expertise or background, and the opposing firm, or maybe if you're using an arbitrator or a judge, there may be some questions on whether there's a conflict or not. So having a testimony log will be helpful. So those are the three things you need: a CV, a rate sheet, and a testimony log. If you found this video useful, click the link below and subscribe, and we'll keep the videos coming. If you need assistance, check us out on the web, give us a call.